Okay, today we are in beautiful Coral Gables, Miami, Florida, looking at a 48 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge, 2003 model. This is the least expensive 48 sedan bridge in the world. And then overall, she's in okay shape. Maybe not the best yacht in the world, but by far not the worst. There's a white hull. All the exterior seems okay. There's little things you can see right up against the rub rail there. A little scrape from docking. It's a little dirty, nothing major. Pinstriping, that light gray color is getting a little bit worn. All pretty good. She's clean. Air conditioners are on inside. You can hear them running out here. She has the extended hydraulic swim platform. No tender with this. Fully enclosed fly bridge with air conditioning up there and hard top. It's a pretty nice boat overall. Go on board and take a look here. We'll go up to the fly bridge in a little bit. We'll go inside. This has a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. Plenty of seating throughout the boat. Typical 48 sedan bridge. Has a dinette area. Nice sofa in the salon. It is electronically controlled and pulls out to a sleeper. There's 2 bucket seats. This one has the old Sony tube TV. A little bit of entertainment electronics in here. CD player, DVD player, stereo. So the countertop pulls out. Refrigerator, freezer, fully stocked for a yacht brokers. Ice maker in the freezer. 3-burner stovetop. Going all the way forward, we have to starboard the 3rd stateroom, which is the L-shaped twins. A little hideaway space back in there. See if this other light gives us some more space, some more light. Has some things lying around, not a big deal. All the carpeting's covered. Carpet seems to be in alright shape, and like I said, it's all covered. Port side, we have the VIP. Can't get more lighting in there. Has a tube TV. Jack and Jill doors for the day head, manual pump toilet, shower stall with a seat. All the way forward we have the master, oversized queen berth with an en-suite head, shower stall, single sink. Everything seems to be fine on this boat. Walls are good, carpet's okay. You can take this up and maybe shampoo in certain areas, shampoo the whole carpet maybe. Wash these runners. Upholstery all seems very nice. Have a different top for the table. Matches the countertops. Cherry wood interior. I think it's raining. Air conditioning works well. We'll go up top. It is raining. There's air conditioning up here. It's not on. I have a Garmin 2010C GPS. Ray Marine RL ADC. There's a Vetus bow thruster. There's a Sea Ray system. Autopilot. A Clarion stereo. An XM system. Looks like your radar. Air conditioning controls. Typical seating forward of the helm. Helm's back a little bit, so captain's always in the shade. Two captain seats, good visibility throughout. Overall, a nice boat. She's in fine condition. This boat on one engine has about 500 hours and the other has about 1,000 hours. These have the Cummins 616 horsepower. There was an issue with this, one of the engines, that the Cummins rebuilt it when the boat was probably about 400 or 500 hours old. So there's a difference on the hours in the engines due to that. But overall, not bad. There's little things, if you see on top of the cushions, a little dirty. Stuff. But anyway, this is One World Yachts. I'm on 48 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge, and I'm out.